Hey everybody, this is the dashboard, and this time we're taking you out to the Cruisin to the Creek 5th Saturday Cruise In with the Pharaohs Car Club of St. Johns County. And this is Scootervision, yes! We had a great time at this show. Lots of awesome cars out there, lots of cool, different cars out there. Stuff, rare cars, never seen before cars. Never seen, by me anyway. There were a lot of awesome cars out there. We took a lot of video, a lot of pictures. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you.
I go to the pharmacy with my daughter. Got to run in a line.
It could be. And let me take a look. You didn't bring it, did you? Please, we'll try.
Well, I got rain. I did bring it, and when I walked down to it, I got a window seal. The water comes in on the kitchen.
What I did.
Yeah, the green one here.
But
when I say Jeep Wrangler. You can show me on your car.
I'll show you on my car. And what I'll do, I've got a guy
Right here.
I only get 5. Get 11.
Morning.
Yeah, that header's huge.
Got an oversized cam and somebody put it in one point. I was trying to time it when I first got it, and running it off, I couldn't figure it out. I took it to my mechanic, he couldn't figure it out, and it's like, he put some oversized cam. He did what he did. But other than that, it's all. But I'm not like Tim, I'm not serious. First 2 weeks it's probably in front of shape.
Alright guys, that's going to wrap up this video from the Cruising to the Creek 5th Saturday Cruise In by the St. John's, Pharaoh's St. John's Car Club. What a mouthful, guys. Anyway, it was a great event. Lots of cool cars out there. Wish I could have stayed longer, but I had another tight scheduled event that I had to go to that was freaking 2 hours away. that was a slog right there, guys. Whew. Anyway, we enjoyed the event. We got to look at a lot of cool cars. We took a lot of video, a lot of pictures. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming your way. We're trying to grow the channel. We're trying to get bigger. We're trying to get them YouTube dollars. We're trying to get that 500 subscriber count to get it monetized. So, any help you guys can be in that, like it around, share it, comment, whatever. Tickle the YouTube pickle. Hit the bell, hit the subscribe button, whatever. Just any little thing helps with this channel. So, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming your way.